Okay, traders. Yeah, we carry on. It is another weekend and it is another time for at least to share something, to share idea about what's the probable direction of the market in the coming week. So mainly, usually share analysis on gold. So here is gold. We have a gold spot, and basically I do analysis, what we call a top-down analysis. And actually I passed through about 4 time frames, 4 different time frames, because we are in the middle of a month, so there's no need to look for what's going on in a monthly candle. But you can do that. You can check the monthly candle, but there's no need for that, because once I see what's going on in a weekly, at least I can project what is exactly happening in a monthly. So let's go straight to weekly time frame. Whereby in a weekly time frame, looking what has happened in this week. Basically, in 3 weeks consecutively, the market is up. In 3 weeks, the market is up. So if it is up in 3 weeks, it shows that in the whole February the market is actually bullish. So when we go to monthly time frame, we can find that we have a single strong bullish candle. So mainly that's a basic idea for weekly time frame, and mainly we are looking for price to reach this level, because previously we were looking for this level. We had a level there. So this week the market has broken that level, so it is looking for the next level, and therefore we are still looking on whether it's going to break it or it's going to be rejected. That is an idea in weekly time frame. So let's go straight to lower time frames to see exactly what is expected to happen. Now in daily time frame, maybe we can have some idea there. Now in daily time frame, what's important is we have diagonal idea, and also we have change in wave counts. Now for those who have been following analysis on gold, basically we had a triangle around this area. So we were expecting completion of triangle to the downside, but we have changed that idea and just turned back to idea that we had in around November and the beginning of December. We had a certain idea around November and the beginning of December, whereby we were looking for now a complete wave 4. So we were looking for a diagonal idea actually when we were around this area. I remember around this correction. So it was 23rd of November. Yes, always it changed our diagonal perspectives when it was like moved below, because our trend line was around this area. We had this one. Yes, we had this one. So we're looking for market to bounce around this area, and hit the upper channel. So when it moved below this lower channel, actually we turned our perspective from diagonal to a different perspective. But basically we already had this idea, diagonal idea, since November last year, November 2020, and around the beginning of December. So basically we are back again to our idea, a diagonal idea, and now diagonal is getting into completion now. Diagonal is getting into completion because we expect that usually diagonal is expected to end around the upper channel. So if it's expected to end around the upper channel, so now it is approaching the upper channel, but it is not necessarily that market must turn within a channel. No, sometimes it may break over the channel, and basically technically we call this as a throw over. So sometimes it may throw over. So we are looking for either to turn within or to throw over. So that's the basic idea. Then we can go to 4-hour time frame. Now in 4-hour time frame, basically I can concentrate in wave counts, whereby this 4th wave we can tweak it up to this area, and other waves no problem at all. We can tweak this to that area, we can tweak this also, no problem at all. But basically let us see what is happening in the current now move. Let us see what's happening in the current move. Basically I have already labeled this. As 1, 2, 3, 4, finally 5. So basically we are looking on completion of the 5th. So if the 5th is not yet completed, something is going to be violated there, because until now it seems like the first wave is extended, but basically based on price travel, maybe from this area up to the beginning, I want to measure something there, up to the beginning, now this one. So I want to measure something based on price travel. Now this is travel in the first wave, because it was moving sideways, so it took, and now it has got what we call a time extension, because the extension has got two ways in most cases. It may be time-wise extension or price-wise extension. So wave 1 got what we call the time-wise extension, but in terms of price, probably it can be, yes, it is exactly. In terms of price, it play, there's no equality there. It is still, the third wave is longer than the first wave in terms of price, but in terms of time, the first wave took longer to get completed. So no problem at all. So now the idea was with the fifth. So what I expect here is the fifth wave, probably it is already completed at this area, or it still have a single push to the upside before it gets corrected. So we can move to lower time frame to see exactly what is happening now at the current price. So now mainly at the current price, I'm looking specifically in the fifth wave. So in the fifth wave, looking at it clearly, it had a push then to the downside, other pushes there to the upside, then we had this push. Now specifically, because I know the count waves, so straightforward, what I see at this area is, now this went up and down, this probably is 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. This was the third wave, then we have the fourth at that area. So what's going on now, it is completion of the fifth wave in lower degree. Now it is completion of the fifth wave in lower degree. I can lower some degree there. Yes, I can lower degrees. So we will have the fifth in that higher degree, then a fifth in the next higher degree. So now that's the idea in gold. So let's expect on the opening of the market, expect on the opening of the market, price is going to push up in completion of the fifth wave. Then after completion of that, we expect to have those sell ideas. Now we expect to have sell ideas whereby it will be in a corrective mode, but it's going to take somehow longer to get completed. And basically, based on the nature of price, it may take too longer time to confirm sells. It may keep on moving up and down, or consolidating. Now the idea is it may keep on consolidating in the coming week before it takes the downward direction. So you have to keep on watching on either price is going to throw over and keep on consolidating, or is going to consolidate within this level. So that's the idea. So thank you for your time. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because we still share other ideas. We share what we call the trainings, free trainings, and also we share analysis like this, and basically in gold, and even sometimes we can share analysis on other instruments. So thank you for your time, and remember to share this video and to put your comment if you have any opinions. Thank you.